Hey everyone, Rob here. You should come and check out Penthouse Stocks Discord. A lot of fire trade alerts are being sent out, and we do practice heavy due diligence before sending these alerts out. Click the link down below in the description. If you choose to join as an exclusive member, your first month is 20% off. Joining as an exclusive member, in my personal opinion, is 110% worth it. I've made my membership fee back on one play alone. And if you do decide to join as an exclusive member, make sure that you tell them that Rob sent you. Also, we are fully transparent about the profits of the trade alerts, so they are posted in the screenshots channel within the Discord, so you can see what other members are making. But let's dive in here to the chart and take a look at AMC for the day, guys. AMC, yes, down 2.74%. We kind of consolidated today, but we didn't have the type of consolidation that we did yesterday, where we literally, if we take a look here at the 5-day, 5-minute and zoom in on this type of consolidation was absolutely beautiful to see. And the fact that we did it for 3 hours is insane on its own. Now, yes, we didn't have the tight consolidation, but we did have a pretty good period of consolidation right about here. And we actually had a double bottom here at $56, which is nice to see. The other thing that I really want to highlight about the candles here is you see a lot of tails on these red candles, which indicates the presence of weak selling pressure and strong buying pressure. If there was strong selling pressure and weak buying pressure, these would be a lot of, you would see the hand, essentially the wick on the top, and then the bottom of it would be full, because selling pressure pushes the stock down, buying pressure pushes it up. So the fact that we have this many tails on the red candles is absolutely beautiful, guys. This just shows that us apes are just buying the dip. And speaking about buying the dip, 80 million shares traded today alone, guys. We're on very, very light volume, and our short interest also increased today too, and we will take a look at that in Ortex. So the fact that we're only down 2.74% and we're still trading between that 53 3/4 channel and $60 is absolutely beautiful. AMC is just consolidating right here in this channel, taking a breather, and we're just preparing ourselves for the next leg up. Now remember, guys, stocks rip, they have pullbacks, and then they consolidate. What's the next step? Rip. So we are literally just preparing for the next rip to the upside, guys. And I'm perfectly fine with us consolidating within this channel. Yeah, we all want the stock to just go to the moon so we can get our tendies and all that kind of stuff. But guys, we gotta be patient. You told me 2 months ago that we would be trading at $56.70, I would have looked at you and have been like, sure, okay, yeah, like the fact that we're trading here, guys, within a month is insane to think about. The gains that we all have are astronomical. There's no denying it. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice or anything like that, but guys, like, when in doubt, zoom out. Year-to-date time frame, if we take a look at this, we can see how far we've come and where we are, and we are sitting perfectly fine. If anyone tells you differently, that we're dooming and glooming and all that kind of stuff, they're just spreading FUD, in my personal opinion. Now, if we do take a look here at the 1 month, 1 hour chart, we did break that ascending level of support, but we are still trading within this channel. And you can see that we've really traded within this channel for a lot of days, guys. I believe it's close to like 10 days. So today, yesterday, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. 11 days in this channel. That is absolutely insane, guys. AMC has never been at this price range, and we're consolidating at $56.70. That is incredibly bullish, and we are just setting ourselves up for this next leg to the upside. We just have to be patient and wait for it to come. And let me tell you this right now, us holding long positions, we're not losing any money. Matter of fact, the dumb money is making a lot of money. These short positions are bleeding money right now because the stock is up so much, and some of them are down 400 or 500%. I can't even imagine being down 400 or 500%. Matter of fact, I look at my position and I see that I'm up over 300, and I think it's like 50% now, and I'm like, awesome, guys. Like, yeah. But now if we take a look here at the year-to-date time frame, this I refer to as a scoreboard, and we can see, like I said, how far we've come. I really want to focus here on the volume candles. Yesterday, 115.96 million shares traded. Today, 79.872. That is not a lot of volume. And we are holding this channel on not a lot of volume. We are just consolidating, guys. And this is classic consolidation. You see the price pretty much sit pretty stable within a range, and then you see volume slowly decrease, and then we have to make a move either to the upside or to the downside. Now, I've seen some people on YouTube talk about this being one giant bull flag. I don't know exactly about that, but guys, I'm so happy that we are sitting in this channel and just consolidating, and let's just be patient. Remember, the stock market is a device to transfer wealth from the impatient to the patient. So we just need to be patient, guys, to get our stinking tendies. I can't wait. Now, if we take a look here at the short interest in Ortex, our short interest went up 2.35%. I'm not going to cue the SpongeBob thing, but how many times do we have to tell them we are not selling? Like, you cannot pry these shares from our cold dead hands. It costs us nothing to hold a long position, and it costs the shorts a lot of money to currently hold a position. 2.35%. Our current short interest is sitting around 14.43%. Estimated short interest is sitting at 73.8 million shares. Borrowed shares today alone, 3.46 million. Return shares, 1.26 million. Borrow change, 2.2 million. Our utilization, this is the number that if we need to look at any number, guys, it's going to be this utilization, because this utilization is going to quickly tell us how hard it is to borrow short shares of AMC, and then that will tell us roughly about the average cost to borrow, because the harder that AMC is to borrow, the higher that cost to borrow fee goes. Now, if we take a look here at a free float on loan, sitting at 18.32%, 93.68 million shares, up from 7 days ago. The shorts are not giving up, and I've said it time and I've said it again. This is beyond a logical play. This is now an ego play, because they don't want to lose to a bunch of retail investors. Now, the next thing we are going to take a look at is Stocko Tracker here. 70,109 calls are currently in the money. At $68, we put another 48,320 calls in the money. We have about 1 million shares of AMC available to borrow short, 19,755 short ETFs. Now, if we come in here and take a look at the day, we started at noon. There was 650,000 short shares of AMC available. At 3 p.m., we see that there's 1 million. And at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 650,000 that are available to borrow. So we are not only seeing shorting during the day, we are seeing shorting going on during pre-market and after hours. We are also seeing shorting going on through these ETFs. We do see that a lot of them were returned, because we have 19,755. And at 6:04, we had 19,169 short ETFs available. Now, if we scroll down here and take a look at the options chain, this is really what I want to focus on, guys, is because the options chain tells the bullish or bearish sentiment within the stock, not just the chart. The fact that we have 90,545 calls in the money, and we have 20,379 puts in the money. Calls are vastly outweighing puts, almost to a 5-to-1 ratio right now, guys. And the fact that we have puts out of the money of 266,397, that is a lot of puts out of the money. And if we dive in the Weeble and take a look at the options chain of where are all of these puts that are out of the money. If we take a look, oh, this is August, my bad, guys. All right, on the right week now. So where are all these puts? We see that at $50, there's 19,135 puts that are currently out of the money. At $45, 13,042. At $40, 15,716. And where was the outrageous one that I saw in here? Oh, maybe that was last week, but there was one of them that was completely outrageous last week. It was like 48,000 on, like, I think it was like the 0.5 strike. But a lot of these puts are really far out of the money. The puts that are in the money are honestly stacked right here at $57, $58, $59, and $60. And what this is doing is it's causing that downward pressure on the stock. Puts cause downward pressure on the stock in an indirect manner, because it is a bearish sentiment. Now, we do have A lot of calls here that are open at $60, 30,801. We take a look at 65, 18,433. Now, the thing that I really want to talk about before we take a look back at Stock Tracker is the volume here on the options chain. This really tells the tale of what everyone is feeling. And 52,981 contracts traded at the $60 strike. That is crazy, guys. And if we compare that to a comparable put, so we need to look for something around 0.75. So we look at the $54 put, 3,706. That is insane. The comparison of bullish to bearish sentiment, the bullish sentiment wins no matter what. And when we zoom out here to like July 16th and take a look here, like let's take a look at the $145 strike, because that's the strike all of us like looking at. 19,054 contracts were traded at this strike alone, guys. There's 141 of them open at $209-ish. Let's find a comparable put here. So 209. So let's scroll down here. So $37 put. 91 puts were traded at this strike. Like, guys, the bullish sentiment is not only here just for this week. It is here into July. It's here into future weeks. Now, if we take a look back here at Stock Tracker and take a look at, oh, no, they don't have our failures to deliver yet. Darn it. I was hoping they were going to have our failures delivered today. But guys, I'm going to leave you with this. This beautiful chart here is phenomenal to look at. AMC is sitting perfectly fine. And if you see people talking FUD or anything like that, or people maybe like Dave Portnoy that just got lit up on Fox News today, was absolutely beautiful to see. The stock is sitting perfectly fine. We are just waiting for that next leg to the upside. And if you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free to drop them down in the comment section. Also, if you guys can, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, make sure that you're ringing that bell for the YouTube algorithm, because it really does help me out a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.